Welcome to my new index card video. Today I'm sharing my number 5 index card, and again I used stamps from Rubber Dance. You will find the free shipping code to the Rubber Dance online store in the description box. I start by sprinkling my pages with water and add brushes. I add some background stamping with memento inks because I want to color the leaves with alcohol markers. I'm using colored pencils to color the owl. To finish the card up, I glue my main image down and add a title. Here is the finished card. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!